Hello viewers, a warm welcome to you all. This is Hasni Tarak. We feel glad to announce that the new wide range variety of Silk Exotica had been recently launched at CMR Patni, Secunderabad. So today I am here to show you few Kanchi Pattu sarees within the range of 5000 rupees. Let me start with the saree I am wearing. Look at this saree. It is the color combination of bottle green with silver zari. On body you can see the lotus and leaf design on the body. For border, it's a copper zari with peacock and rudraksha design on the border. Coming to the pallu, it's a contrast pallu, pink color pallu with copper zari, rudraksha design and mango design on the pallu. Followed by pink color plain blouse with the border. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the light orange color saree with us. It's a self color saree. All over you can see the silver zari on the body diamond checks. For border, you can see the lotus and flower leafy design on the border with silver zari, and in between you can see the khaddi border. Followed by, it's a cross lines with mango design on the pallu. It's a self color saree. Coming to the blouse, orange color plain blouse with the border with silver zari. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the traditional color combination of green with pink color. All over you can see the copper and silver zari flower design on the body. For border, it's a broad border. We can say it as a skirt border also. In the edge you can see the temple design with copper zari. Both sides khaddi border. In the middle you can see the flower and leaves design. Attached with, it's a contrast pallu with copper zari with peacocks and mango booties design. Coming to the blouse, it's a pink color butta blouse with a copper zari. Let me show you the next saree. Wow, look at this bright red color saree. It is a self color saree. All over body you can see the silver and copper zari flowers on the body. For border, it's a broad border. In the middle you can see the khaddi border. In the edges, it's a leafy design, flowers design, and as well as the peacock design also with silver zari. It's a self color saree. Attached with, you can see the pallu with mango design with copper zari and silver zari as well, and peacock design. Coming to the blouse, it's a red color plain blouse with a border with silver zari. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the beautiful color combination of dark blue with pink color. All over you can see the silver and copper zari rudraksha design on the body. For border, it's a broad border, contrast pink color border with silver zari. In middle you can see the khaddi border. At the edges, it's a mango flower design and dots design also. Attached with pink with silver zari flowers design on the pallu. Coming to the blouse, it's a pink color plain blouse with the border. It's a broad border with silver zari. If you like any of the saree, please take the screenshot of particular saree and WhatsApp to the number 888 188 1193. We have video call facility and international shipping also. Let me show you the next saree. It is a color combination of magenta pink with green color. All over you can see the self meena work with flowers, leaves and mango design with silver zari on the body. For border, it's a broad border. with Rudraksha design, green with silver color zari, with Rudraksha design and mango design as well, with flowers also, and attached with green with golden zari pallu. It's a different pallu with peacock design and mango buttis as well, with flowers also. Coming to the blouse, it's a green color mango buttis blouse with silver zari broad border. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the gorgeous color combination of sky blue with pink color. On body you can see the contrast meena work with small mango buttis with silver zari on the body. For border, it's a broad border. In middle of the border you can see the khadi border with copper zari and silver zari with diamond checks. On the edges you can see the lotus design and mango design as well. Attached with contrast pink color pallu with silver zari with small flower Rudraksha design and mango design on the pallu. Coming to the blouse, it's a contrast pink color plain blouse with a border. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the beautiful color combination of pink with royal blue. All over body, it's a silver zari mango flower design. For border, it's a broad border. Look at this border, it's too beautiful. With copper zari, blue with copper zari, with peacock design and elephants design also with Rudraksha and mango design on the border. Attached with, it's a blue with copper zari with peacocks and diamond checks and mango design on the pallu. Coming to the blouse, it's a contrast blue blouse with embossed work with a border. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the bright yellow color saree with us. All over body you can see the copper zari flowers on the body. For border, you can see the silver zari and copper zari, peacocks design, flowers design and leaves design on the border. Attached with leafy designer pallu with copper zari and flowers design. Coming to the blouse, it's a yellow color plain blouse with a border. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the parrot green color saree. All over body you can see the silver zari, lotus and mangoes design on the body with flowers design as well. For border, it's a skirt border. Total silver work with silver zari. In the middle you can see the khadi border. On the other side it has mango design and flowers design, and at the edge you can see the diamond design on the border. Attached with lotus designer pallu with silver zari and flowers design. Coming to the blouse, silver color blouse with leaf design with the border. Let me show you the next saree. Here we have the dual shade saree, maroon with blue color combination. On the body you can see the silver and copper buds design on the body. For border, it's a skirt border with silver and copper zari design with mangoes, mango design and flowers design on the border. Attached with green color with copper zari, peacocks design and flowers design In the middle you can see the mango booties. On the pallu, coming to the blouse, it's a contrast blouse, blue color blouse with self butta design with the border. Let me show you the next saree. And yes, that's all for today's episode. Thank you all for your attention. Hope you all liked our collections. We will be back with more elegant and beautiful collections. For more details, please do follow us on Insta, Facebook and YouTube. Our IDs are CMR Telangana. If you like any of the saree, please take the screenshot of the particular saree and WhatsApp to the number 8881881193. We have international shipping and video call facilities also. Thank you.